Tired of workouts that don't work? You're not alone. This weight loss routine melts fat fast. No gym, no equipment. Struggling to lose weight? Start this today. Just 6 minutes a day can change your body. Imagine the new you. Confident, energized, unstoppable. No gym, no excuses. Real results start at home. You can do this. Subscribe now. Your results start today. Our first move is a classic for a reason. Jumping jacks. Stand up straight with your feet together and your arms down by your sides. Now jump your feet out to the sides, wider than your shoulders, while at the same time raising your arms up over your head. We are going to do this for 45 seconds. The key is to be light on your feet. Try to land softly on the balls of your feet to protect your knees and ankles. Keep a nice, steady rhythm. Don't go too fast at the beginning. Find a pace that you can maintain for the full 45 seconds. This exercise works so many muscles at once. It works your legs, your glutes, your shoulders, and your core. If you are a beginner, you can modify this move to make it easier. Instead of jumping, you can do a stepping version. You are doing great already. Just a few more seconds. Feel your body warming up. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Great job. Take a deep breath. You have 15 seconds to recover before our next move. Next up, we have mountain climbers. Get ready to feel the burn in your core. To begin, get into a high plank position. Your hands should be directly under your shoulders. Your back should be flat like a tabletop. From your high plank position, pull your right knee in towards your chest. Then, quickly switch legs, bringing your right leg back to the starting position while you pull your left knee in towards your chest. It should feel like you are running in place against the floor. The key is to keep your hips low and your back flat. You are strong, you are powerful, and you can conquer this mountain. For our beginners, if the fast-paced version is too much right now, you can slow it down. From your plank position, slowly bring one knee towards your chest, hold it for a second, and then return it to the start. The goal is progress, not perfection. Keep pushing. Feel those abdominal muscles working hard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Amazing work. You just conquered that mountain. Take your 15-second break. Alright, our third exercise is high knees. This move is honestly a real cardio blast. It will get your heart pumping fast, which means you'll be burning a serious amount of calories. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart and your arms bent at your sides. The movement is simple. You're going to run in place, but you need to focus on lifting your knees up as high as you can. Use your arms to help you. Pump them back and forth, just like you would if you were sprinting. Engage your lower abdominal muscles to help you lift your knees higher. Come on, you can do it. Keep that pace up. You are more than halfway through the workout now. This is where the change happens. If you need a lower impact option, you can do a high knee march instead. Stand in the same position and instead of running, march in place. Think about your goals. Picture yourself feeling confident and energetic. Just a few more seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Let's be real. Losing weight is tough, but you've made it this far. Type yes if you're ready to keep going. Alright, it is time to work those legs and glutes with squat pulses. Strong leg muscles are honestly a secret weapon for fat loss because they are the biggest muscle group in your body. Working them helps you burn more calories, even when you are just resting. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, with your toes pointing just a bit outwards. Lower your hips back and down, as if you're about to sit in a chair. Go down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Now, from this low squat position, instead of coming all the way back up, you are just going to pulse. The key here is to stay low and keep the tension in your quadriceps and your glutes. Make sure your knees are tracking in the same direction as your toes. If you are a beginner, you do not have to go as low. You can also hold on to a chair or a wall for extra support and balance. Feel that burn? That is the feeling of your muscles getting stronger. Stay with it. Your legs are powerful, and they are carrying you through this. Think about how toned and powerful your legs will become. Just a little longer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, when rest. Yes, you did it. Shake out your legs. They deserve it. We have 2 more moves to go. Get ready to target that core directly with our next move. Plank taps. This exercise is a fantastic way to challenge your stability and strengthen all the muscles in your abdomen, including those deep ones that act like a corset for your waist. Start in a high plank position, just like we did for the mountain climbers. Your hands should be under your shoulders, and your body should be in a straight line. Without letting your hips rock from side to side, lift your right hand off the floor and tap your left shoulder. Place your right hand back down, and then lift your left hand to tap your right shoulder. The trick is to move slowly and with control. The slower you go, the more your core has to work to keep you stable. Imagine you have a glass of water on your lower back. If this is too challenging, you can make it easier by widening your feet or perform the exercise from your knees. You are doing amazing. Keep that core tight. Every tap is carving out a stronger, more stable core. This is pure strength work right here. Stay focused. Keep breathing steadily. A few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Awesome job. You made it. We have just one final exercise left, the final burnout. This is it. Our final exercise is the mighty burpee. This is the ultimate full body exercise. It combines a squat, a plank, and a jump into one explosive movement. It is the best way to empty the tank and finish our workout strong. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Then lower into a squat and place your hands on the floor in front of you. From the squat, jump your feet back so you land in a high plank position. Then jump your feet forward again, back towards your hands, so you are back in the squat position. From here, explode up into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. If the full burpee is too much for now, there is a great no-jump modification. Instead of jumping your feet back, step 1 foot back at a time to get into the plank position. This is your final push. Empty the tank. You have come so far, do not stop now. Every burpee you do is a victory. Dig deep and find that last bit of energy. I'm right here with you. Let's go. Almost there. Just one more rep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did it. You completed the 10-minute home workout challenge. Take a moment to feel proud of what you just accomplished. You are amazing. You showed up, you worked hard, and you finished the entire 10-minute workout. Take a few minutes to cool down. March slowly in place, stretch your arms and legs, and let your heart rate come down gradually. What you just did was a huge step towards your goal. But remember, this is not just a one-time thing. The real secret to losing belly fat and transforming your body is consistency. I want you to challenge yourself to do this workout 5 times a week, 10 minutes a day, 5 days a week. That is less than 1 hour a week to completely change your body and your mindset. I would love to hear about your journey, so please leave a comment below. Let me know that you completed the workout and how you feel. Your story can inspire someone else to start their own journey. Do this workout 5x a week and watch your body transform. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.